مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson, we continue learning our common verbs in Arabic with some illustrative sentences. And as usual, I give it to you in the past tense, present tense, imperative masculine, imperative feminine, as well as verb and noun. Today, we're going to explore 4 verbs. Yes, 4 verbs. And all of them, they have something to do with action. To do, in fact. Let's start with fa'ala. Now, fa'ala is very comprehensive. It's when you do something with or without intention, whether you are paid for it or nobody paid you to do it, whether it's repetitive or non-repetitive, good or evil, it's fa'ala. Okay, so fa'ala, past tense. يفعل, present tense. يفعل, imperative masculine. افعلي, imperative feminine. And the verbal noun is فعل. فعل, يفعل, يفعل, يفعلي, فعل. Okay, I can say من فعل هذا? من فعل هذا? Who did this? Who? من فعل, did هذا, this? من فعل هذا? I can say أنا من فعل ذلك. أنا من فعل ذلك. I'm the one who did it. Yes, I confess. أنا من فعل ذلك. Or simply فعلته. فعلت, أنا فعلته. I did it. أنا فعلته. I did it. Okay. I can say لم أفعل أي شيء خاطئ. لم أفعل أي شيء خاطئ. I didn't do anything wrong. لم أفعل, I did not do أي شيء, anything خاطئ, wrong. The second verb, which also has meaning of to do, particularly to work, is amila. And amila usually for something with intention, and usually repetitive, and usually paid for as well. Not necessarily, but usually. So amila, past tense. يعمل, present tense. يعمل, imperative masculine. اعملي, imperative feminine. And the verbal noun is عمل. عمل, يعمل, يعمل, اعملي, عمل. Okay. An example. أعمل في القطاع العام. أعمل في القطاع العام. I work in the public sector. أعمل, I work. في القطاع, that is sector. العام, that means public, general. أعمل في القطاع العام. Or أعمل في القطاع الخاص. أعمل في القطاع الخاص. I work in the private sector. الخاص. أعمل في القطاع الخاص. Alternatively, we can say أعمل بدوام كامل. أعمل بدوام كامل. I work full time. أعمل بدوام. دوام is a period of time that you spend at work. كامل means full. أعمل بدوام كامل. I work full time. Or أعمل بدوام جزئي. أعمل بدوام جزئي. I work part-time. جزئي. جزئي mean part of whatever it may be. أعمل بدوام جزئي. Or أعمل عن بعد. أعمل عن بعد. I work remotely. عن بعد. What else these days? For as long as you are not a pilot, yes, أعمل عن بعد. You can work remotely these days. Yes. What else? أعمل بأسلوب العمل الهجين. Another one. أعمل, I work بأسلوب العمل الهجين. I do hybrid working. أعمل, I work بأسلوب. أسلوب is methodology of doing something. أسلوب. العمل, work. الهجين, hybrid. Such as أعمل 3 أيام في البيت. I work 3 days at home. ويومين في المكتب, and 2 days at the office. That's hybrid. Yes. أعمل بأسلوب العمل الهجين. I do hybrid working. Okay. You can say أعمل لنفسي. That's the best one. أعمل, I work لنفسي, for myself. Well done. أعمل لنفسي. I work for myself. The third verb in this group is اشتغل. It also means to work. However, اشتغل has original meaning of to occupy or to be preoccupied as well. So perhaps the best illustration would be people may be at work, but they're not actually working. They just occupy their time doing something else, which is very bad. So that's the subtle difference between these عمل and اشتغل. Nevertheless, without being too pedantic, you can use them interchangeably. So اشتغل, past tense. يشتغل, present tense. اشتغل, imperative masculine. اشتغلي, imperative feminine. And the noun is اشتغال. Okay. So I can say أين تشتغل? Where do you work? Oh, أشتغل في المطار. I work at the airport. This is the same origin of this اشتغل. That's why you say أنا مشغول. I am busy. You see, I'm occupied. It's something else. أنا مشغول. A man will say that. A woman will say أنا مشغولة. I am busy. So that is the third verb. We've done فعل, which is more general, more comprehensive, and عمل, work, and اشتغل, which also means to work or to be occupied. And the fourth one, briefly, is صنع. صنع has the idea to make something. To do, again, the element of doing is in there. To make. صنع, past tense. يصنع, present tense. اصنع, imperative, masculine. اصنعي, imperative, feminine. And the noun is صنع or صنع. صنع, يصنع, اصنع, اصنعي, صنع, صنع. Here we are. We have another set of common verbs in Arabic with some illustrative sentences. Please continue learning this for me. It's an accumulative skill. Let's get on with it. Every lesson, please do your revision. At least if you can do 15 minutes every single day, You will be amazed the progress that you will manage to make, inshallah. Thank you so much for following this series. And don't forget to subscribe, please, if you haven't done so. And send a link for me to your contact. Thank you so much. And don't forget my charity. We are desperate. We are at this very critical stage now in building an educational resource center for the children of my hometown, Ogbomoso, in southwestern Nigeria. I'll soon update you about the progress they made, inshallah. Thank you so much for some of you who have donated. Thank you so much. And we have a long way to go. Please click below and make your donation to my charity, Helping Hands for Education.org. Thank you so much, and we see you soon again. مع السلامة إلى اللقاء في أمان الله.